that the operating systems are the master programs which actually control all the processings, all the activities of any device. So even as we know that laptops are also mobile devices, but the operating system which is mainly used in laptop, we cannot call it a mobile operating system, because this mobile operating system is basically uh, made for the smartphones, tablets, other personal digital assistants, and other mobile devices. You can say a mobile operating system combined the features of a personal computer operating system and other features useful for mobile or handheld devices. So the most of the essential features in modern mobile systems are touch screen, there must be a touch screen, cellular services, there must be cellular services, you can say there must be SIM and the numbers, contact numbers, other cellular activities, the Bluetooth services, the Wi-Fi services, global positioning system, GPS system, mobile navigations, camera, video camera, the speech recognitions, which can recognize the speech or the pattern of the speech, internet browsing, that is also must, because nowadays everything is on mobile and everything can be accessed through internet. So accessing emails, email services are also very necessary for the mobile devices. Near field communications, the voice recorders, music players, automation devices, infrareds, and millions of other apps. So these are very necessary for a mobile to make it a or behave it just like a smartphone. So today we will discuss or we will cover most popular operating systems, and there are various operating systems used for mobiles, but we will cover 15 operating systems. These are Android operating system, it is very most popular nowadays. Apple operating system, then Symbian, Windows Phone. Next is Windows Mobile, that is another most popular operating system which was used by Windows. BlackBerry, Nokia Asha, Nokia X, Tizen, the Bada operating system, Firefox mobile operating system, Ubuntu Phone mobile operating system, Migo mobile operating systems, Palm and Sailfish. So these are the 15 most popular mobile operating system, and we will discuss one by one. The first one is Android operating system. Android is a mobile operating system developed by Google based on the Linux kernel and designed primarily for touchscreen mobile devices such as smartphones and tablets. This Linux based operating system provided by Google is the most popular operating system nowadays, and if I'm not wrong, then presently more than 85% of the total mobile users or the total mobiles use this Android operating system. As I told you that it is developed by Google and it was written in Java. Its graphical user interface, it was developed by Java and C++. And the first version was introduced in 23rd of September 2008. Now, presently, its Android 10.0 release is going on, and many more versions yet to come. It supports both 32-bit and 64-bit ARM platforms, and Android is available in more than 100 languages. That is the biggest point to notice here, that it supports more than 100 languages. And APK is its package manager and available in Google Play Store. You can download directly through the Google Play Store, and its kernel type is monolithic. So some of the most interesting feature of this Android is that is NFC, that is near field communication. It is a standard based short range wireless connectivity technology that make life easier and more convenient. Alternate keyboards. The Android provides alternate keyboards other than the keyboards or touch board you have with your mobile or your smartphone. Infrared transmissions, no touch control. It is another best features of the Android. Automation, wireless app downloads, storage and battery swap, custom home screen widgets. Various widgets are provided by this Android operating system, and custom ROMs. These are some those features which are actually the key point of this Android operating systems. And most popular versions, there are various versions introduced by the Android, but some of the most popular versions are Cupcake, Donuts, Eclair, Foroyo, Gingerbread, Honeycomb, Ice Cream Sandwich, Jelly Bean, Kit Kat, Lollipop, Marshmallow, Nougat, Oreo, Pie, and nowadays we are using Android 10. So our second operating system, mobile operating system, is Apple iOS. As the name suggests, Apple iOS is the developer of this mobile operating system, and it was created and developed by Apple Incorporation, exclusive for its mobile devices like iPhone and iPads. It is the second most popular mobile operating system used globally after the Android. And the biggest feature of this iOS is that it never hangs and it never get crashed by any virus. Means ये कभी भी हैंग नहीं होता है, इसका जो फीचर है, और ये इसके अंदर वायरस भी इतना अर्ली, इतना जल्दी नहीं एंटर कर पाता है, तो इट इज मच मोर सेफ एंड सिक्योर, क्योंकि इसका आपको अपना खुद का सारा सिस्टम. It was written in C, C++, Objective-C, and Swift. And it was released in 29th of June 2007. इसका जो पहला रिलीज था 2007 में इंट्रोड्यूस हुआ था, and its latest release is now 13.5.1, and it was introduced in 23rd of June of 2020. And platform की बात करें तो it is based on ARM v8a platform. And the Apple iOS is also available in more than 40 languages. It is based on hybrid kernel, and its default user is Cocoa Touch. Its biggest feature is that it never hangs, as we have discussed it earlier. Most important features of iOS are multitasking, social media, iCloud, in-app purchase, Game Center, Notification Center, accelerometer, gyroscope. It have powerful APIs, again the global position system, GPS, high-end processor, accessibility from anywhere, Bluetooth, orientations, camera integrations, location services, map services, emails, contacts, web pages, messages, and many more. These are the various features of Apple iOS. Now we will discuss our third mobile operating system, that is Symbian operating system. Symbian is mainly targeted at mobile phones that offers a high level of integration with communication and PIM, that is personal information management functionalities. Its source code was maintained by Accenture and was originally developed by Symbian Limited in 5th of June 1997. Then it was introduced by Nokia in 2010 to 2011, and later on by Accenture in 2011 to 13. Its main Programming, the main programming in which it was written is C++. It was used by Samsung, Motorola, Sony Ericsson, and Nokia. Its latest release is S60, and it was on 30th August 2018. And again, Symbian is available in multi languages, and the package managers are Opera Store, .cis, .cisx, .zad, .jar, etc. And its platform is real-time microkernel operating system based. Now, next mobile operating system is Windows Phone mobile operating system. It is the latest mobile operating system developed by Microsoft Corporation and very popular for some day. It is a family of mobile operating system developed by Microsoft for smartphones as the replacement successor of Windows mobiles. Windows mobiles भी हमारा एक operating system रहा है mobiles के लिए, and it was mainly written in C and C++. It was introduced on 8th November 2010, and its latest release was in 2019, that is 18th June 2019, with the version Windows 10. It is available in more than 130 languages because it is controlled, developed, and managed by Microsoft. So more than 130 languages are available in this Windows Phone. Windows Phone Store is its package manager. We can download the Windows Phone from there. Qualcomm Snapdragon is its platform. It is based on hybrid monolithic kernel. So our next mobile operating system is Windows mobile operating system. As the name suggests, it is again belongs to the family of Microsoft, and it was mainly developed for the pocket PCs. It was introduced in 19th April 2000, and it have hybrid kernel type. It have a graphical by that time, because in 2000, early of 2000, the smartphones were rarely available, and the interface or mobile interface was graphical user interface. So it was a new thing by that time. Its latest release was Windows 10 Mobile, and which was released on 10th of December 2009. Our next mobile operating system is BlackBerry mobile system. This is the operating system used by all the BlackBerry mobile devices like smartphones and playbooks and other handhelds. The BlackBerry operating system is a proprietary mobile operating system developed by RIM, that is Research in Motion, in 19th January 1999 for use of the company's popular BlackBerry handheld devices. And यहाँ पर मैं एक बात भी कहना चाहूँगा कि in the 1999, the introduction of the smartphones was rare, and by that time, the BlackBerry was a really impressive operating system. The BlackBerry platform is popular with corporate users as it offers synchronization with Microsoft Exchange, Lotus Domino, Novel GroupWise, email, and other business software when used with the BlackBerry Enterprise Server. It was written in C++, and its latest release is 10.3.3, and it was released on 4th of April 2018. The BlackBerry operating system is available in multiple languages, and BlackBerry Desktop Manager is its package manager, and its kernel type is Java Virtual Machine. Some of the features of BlackBerry mobile operating systems are Flow interface, BlackBerry Hub, Active Frames, touchscreen keyboard, time shift camera, BlackBerry App World, BlackBerry Browser, BlackBerry Balance, connected calendar, and improved games. So these are various features of the BlackBerry, which makes it a popular mobile operating system at that time. Next operating system is Nokia Asha mobile operating system. It was developed by Microsoft Mobile OI, and its initial release was on 9th of May 2013. Nokia Asha platform is a mobile operating system and computing platform designed for low and borderline smartphone based on software from Smarter Phone, which was acquired by Nokia. The platform inherit user interface similarities from the Symbian. Symbian की लगभग जैसी सी इसकी जो हमारी प्लेटफॉर्म है. Its latest version is Nokia Asha 230, and it was released on 24th of February 2014. It is available in multiple languages as it is governed or designed by Microsoft. Nokia Store Platform ERM is its package manager. Our next mobile operating system is Nokia X. Nokia X platform was Linux-based mobile operating system and software platform originally developed by Nokia and subsequently by Microsoft Mobile. It is developed by Android open source project, and it was written in C, C++, and Java. Its initial release was in 2014. Its latest release is Nokia X 2.1, which was on 3rd of September 2014. It is mainly 32-bit based, and its kernel type is monolithic Linux kernel. Some of the features of Nokia X are smart mode camera features, live wallpaper and lock screen widget, Google services, local calendar support, mail account auto configurations, landscape support for mail and messaging, other minor improvements, extra tiles with fourth column, app list, tile resize and movement improvement, new camera user interface, new virtual keyboard, and support for hardware-based home button. These are the features which actually makes it a better operating system. The next mobile operating system is Tizen. Tizen is an open source mobile operating system based on Linux kernel and the GNU library implementing the Linux API. It is controlled by Samsung and also backed by Intel and works on a wide range of Samsung devices. It was written in HTML5, C and C++, and its initial release was on 5th of January 2012. The latest release of Tizen is 5.5 M1, and it was introduced on 30th of May 2019. And again, its kernel is monolithic kernel. Our next mobile operating system is Bada. It is again most popular operating system nowadays. Bada is discontinued operating system for mobile devices such as smartphone and tablet computers. It was developed by Samsung Electronics in 28th of February 2013, and as it is suggested or it is given in Korean language, which means an ocean. It is written in C++ and its latest release is Bada 2.0, and it was on April 2014. Its kernel type is real-time operating system or Linux kernel. Its default user interface is TouchWiz Graphical. It is available in multiple languages. It provides mobile features such as multi-point touch, 3D graphics, and of course, applications download and installations. Our next operating system is Firefox operating system, Firefox mobile operating system. Firefox mobile operating system is a discontinued open source operating system made for smartphones, tablets, and smart TV designed by Mozilla. It is written in HTML5, cascading style sheets, CSS, JavaScript, and C++. Its initial release was 21st of February 2013, and its latest release is 2.2.0 in 2015. It is based on monolithic kernel. Firefox have a graphical user interface, and it provides auto synchronization features. In December 2015, Mozilla announced it would stop development of new Firefox operating system smartphones, and in September 2016 announced the end of development. The successor of Firefox operating system includes the community development B2G operating system. Our next operating system is Ubuntu. Ubuntu Touch is a mobile version of the Ubuntu operating system that was developed by Canonical Limited and Ubuntu community for mainly mobile devices. It was designed primarily for touchscreen mobile devices such as smartphones, tablet computers, and other handheld devices. Its final release was done on 7th of February 2015. It also supports multiple languages. It is based on monolithic kernel type. It is based on graphical user interface, and its latest release was Srishti Thahar in April 2019. The next operating system, that is mobile operating system, is MeeGo operating system. MeeGo is a joint open source mobile operating system which is the result of merging two products based on open source technologies, that is Miamo, product of Nokia, and Moblin, product of Intel. MeeGo is a mobile operating system designed to work on a number of devices including smartphones, notebooks, tablets, in-vehicle information systems, and various devices using Intel Atom and ARM v7 architectures. Its developer is Nokia and Intel Linux Foundations. It was initially released on 26th of May 2010. Its latest version was 1.2.0 and it was done in 2012. The kernel of MeeGo operating system is monolithic type and its default user interface is graphical user interface. Our next mobile operating system is Palm. The Palm operating system is a proprietary mobile operating system that was originally released in 1996 on Pilot 1000 handhelds. So it is one of the most oldest mobile operating system. Newer version of Palm operating system have added support for expansion port, new processors, external memory cards, improved security, and support for ARM processor and smartphones. The Palm operating system 5 was extended to provide support for a broad range of screen resolutions, wireless connections, and enhanced multimedia capabilities, and is called Garnet operating system. The Palm operating system was written in C++. It is available in English language and it is based on ARM architectures. Its latest release was Garnet operating system 5.4.9, which was in October 2007. Our next mobile operating system is Sailfish operating system. It is general purpose Linux based used commonly as mobile operating system, combining the Linux kernel for a particular hardware platform use and open source Mercore stack of middleware, a proprietary UI contributed by Zola, and an open source UI and third party components. Sailfish was written in Qt, QML, and C++. Its latest release is 2.1.0.11 and it was done in 2017. It is available in 21 national languages. Sailfish supports a 32-bit and 64-bit platform, and Sailfish is based on monolithic kernel type. So this is the end of the topic. I do believe that